Welcome to this Apostrophe short. This time we'll be exploring the Apostrophe CMS Pro Doc Template Library extension. This versatile tool addresses a common challenge in content management, the dreaded blank page problem. By enabling design teams to create templates for pages or pieces with default widgets and pre-populated content, it streamlines the content creation process across various industry and use cases. Imagine you're managing a website. It could be a travel blog, a corporate site, an e-commerce platform, or a news outlet. You often need to create multiple pages or articles that follow a similar structure. This is where the Doc Template Library shines. Content creators can apply these pre-designed templates, ensuring a cohesive look and feel throughout the entire site while significantly reducing production time. For instance, a travel blog could use templates for destination guides, while a news site may be for breaking stories, a corporate site for team member profiles, and an e-commerce site for product pages. In each case, you can quickly generate new pages from a template, customize the content to your needs, and maintain a consistent design across your entire website. This extension is not just about saving time. It's about empowering your team to create professional, uniform content effortlessly. Whether you're dealing with a handful of pages or hundreds of articles, the Apostrophe CMS Pro Doc Template Library extension offers flexibility, consistency, and efficiency for content creators. There are several ways to create new templates. The first way is to go to the Doc Template Manager in the admin bar. As you can see by the information below the cards, I already have an advertising page type template, as well as two different layout templates for ad pieces. From here, you can click on the New Template button. Then you add the title for the template. This has to be unique like any slug in your project. Next, you select the document type for which you want to create a new template. If you select a page, you will also have to select the page type. Then, at that point, you create the document using the normal editing tools to add widgets to areas and content to schema fields. When your new template is created, you can elect to select an image that will be displayed to the users of the template. By default, an image of how that template looks with your placeholder content will be displayed. After you create your templates, you can go back and edit the settings like the title and the per document permissions, or the overall layout of the template. Just hover over the card and buttons will appear to edit either. You can also archive a template by clicking in the upper left corner and then selecting Archive from the batch operations. The filter dropdown will let you switch and see what templates have been archived if you want to restore them later. Another way to add a new template is to create a document in the normal way. For example, go into the Page Manager and click Create New Page. Then, after that document is published, you'll be able to select Save as Template from the context menu. Once it is created, you'll have the opportunity to rename the template. So how do you use these templates? Any user with permission to create or modify a particular document type will see an extra template tab when they create or edit a document. As admin, I can create and edit any document, so I can go ahead and create a new advertisement page and select the template. Note here that my type selector was set to default. I don't have any default templates, so it says none. Next, I'll change out the text and the image for the hero to create the new page where the appliance ads will be added. This is a simple page, but I didn't have to select the correct area, find the hero widget, add it, and figure out what options to select. Let's look at one more example. Our advertiser, Wally Adman, has permission to create and edit ads. When he goes to create a new ad, he can then select one of the templates from the Template tab. All he has to do then is replace out the placeholder content. This one is slightly more complex since it is a two-column widget containing an image and rich text widgets. You get the general idea. Importantly, with the Advanced Permissions Pro extension, Wally has permission for modifying ads, but he doesn't have permission to modify the templates. but he can still use them to create new ads. Overall, I hope you can see the advantages that using the Apostrophe CMS Pro Doc Template Library extension can give for both design uniformity and productivity. It also means that content producers aren't required to make design decisions every time they create a new document, reducing blank page paralysis. Check the links in the description below to learn how to install the Apostrophe CMS Pro Doc Template Library extension in your project today.